So this is the final module, module 10 of the AI, Python and robotics course from STEMpedia. And in this one, we're going to move a robot depending on what recognition cards you put up. So we're going to have picture blocks recognize the cards, maybe go or turn left or turn right, and then that would move the robot. I don't have a quirky, so what I've done is I've adapted the script to move the whizbot. So I put in the whizbot sprite into pict blocks, and then I've modified the code that was given to move the sprite when you put the recognition card on. I will show at the end an ESP robot, ESP32 robot that I have got working with the picture blocks in the past, just to show you that I have done some robotics with picture blocks and the ESP32, but I don't have a quirky with me at the moment. So here's the Python script for the robotic recognition card setup. So same code, except the only thing I've changed here is I put in the whizbot instead of quirky. So I put in the whizbot, and as well as that, just to give it a little bit of a delay, I've imported time as well. So the recognition card is the same, and everything else there is the same on flip, enable box, threshold, and then you have a loop which analyzes the camera and then puts up the name of the class. So null detected there, you can see. The only difference here is if go is in the sign, then the sprite will move 10 and it will then sleep for 2. If it's left, then the sprite will turn left and then sleep for 2 again. So it's the same with the rest. Then the U-turn will turn to the right 180 degrees and then sleep for 2. So I'll run it here so we can see it happening, and you can see if I put up the turn left, it'll turn left, and then I have to put it down again quite quickly until I put it up again, and it'll keep turning left. If you just leave it there, it'll turn left every 2 seconds, so it'll do a full rotation. And then I have the go then. If I put up go, you can see the text go, and then it goes. Now it depends on what direction it's pointing at that stage. But that just gives you an idea of the code. Instead of quirky, I have the robot whizbot on the screen. Just want to show you some robotics that I've done with the ESP32 and picture blocks, because as I don't have a quirky. And what we have here is here's the robot itself. It's just a very basic robot with an ESP32, and then we have some batteries and 2 motors. And I connected this wirelessly with Bluetooth to the picture blocks, and we got it to do a football game where we could move a ball and you could control it with an iPad, and we also did in such a way that it would we had sensors in the bottom of it that would follow a line. So I'm just going to show you a little video clip of the robot following a line.